What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with King Fletch. Today I'm going to be making a Cleveland favorite. It's called a Polish boy, but I'm adding my own special twist to it. I'm going to use hoagie rolls. I'm going to be using these Roger Wood lumberjack links, and I'm going to make my barbecue sauce from scratch. And I'm also going to be using potatoes, fresh cut potatoes. All right. And my coleslaw I'll be making simple. I bought some dough already, shredded coleslaw, and the slaw dressing from Marzetti. So first I'm going to start off with these tomatoes. They're sweet little tomatoes. And I'm going to put these in here. These are going to be the base to my barbecue sauce, okay? So I'm going to use all of these, the whole little pack, sweet ones. We're just going to put those in here and get those pureed real fine, because those are going to make up the base of my barbecue sauce. So now we got our tomato puree. That's pureed. Now when I start to cook those, it's going to darken up and take on that amber color that barbecue sauce has. So I have to cook those tomatoes first. So right here I'm going to start my barbecue sauce. 2 tablespoons of butter. So now my butter's melting. We'll go ahead and toss in some garlic. That's about 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to pour in my tomatoes. I'm not going to waste any time with that. Alright, that's the base for our barbecue sauce. And like I said, you're looking at it right now and it's real pink. As it cooks, it's going to get that amber color that we're looking for. Tomatoes cooking. The first thing I want to add in is some brown sugar. I just want those to cook sweetly. It's about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Garlic and brown sugar. And you'll see why I did this. Like I said, this is going to start turning a dark red color as it cooks. And now I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting my potatoes. Like I said, I'm making homemade French fries. So I'll have those. Have them again. Have them again. Have them again. And we're going to get like a steak fry almost. That one I'll take a little piece off. Cut it in half again. And this is kind of where we're going to be with our fries. Give or take, that's where we're going to be with it. This is that red color I was telling you about. That sauce was going to begin to turn once they started cooking. Tomatoes always do this, so you can always expect it. Alright. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little splash of vinegar, a dash of soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, some molasses, some yellow mustard, and to that I'm going to add some chili powder. Good amount of chili powder. Crushed red pepper flakes. Onion powder. Add some Lawry's garlic salt. Shake some black pepper in there. Put some allspice in there. About a teaspoon of that. Chipotle chili powder also. Just a little bit of that. Add a little bit of cloves, ground cloves in there. We're gonna stir all of that up and watch it transform. See that coloration changing? That's turning into our barbecue sauce, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we got this over a very low heat. A little bit of hot sauce, Frank's Red Hot. We wanted to have a little bit of a kick to it, just a little. Also gonna add a little more brown sugar. And that's just to sweeten it a little bit. I'm gonna hit that with a little bit more molasses. Just a little. And that'll just darken my flow up a little bit more. Add a little more sweet to it. And I'm gonna give this another taste in just a second. So now I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get started on my coleslaw. Stick some of that in that bowl. And I got my marzetti. I'm gonna get some of that down in there. And just whoop that up. Coleslaw is simple. Don't take a rocket scientist, and don't take a whole lot of this marzetti for it. My coleslaw, I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper in there, just to give it some elements, you know. Nothing major. You'll see it in there, so you know it's real. That's all we want to do with that. So make sure it's mixed up properly. Everybody kiss everybody. Everybody's met. Everybody's been introduced at some point. And we got us a coleslaw, baby. I'm gonna just stick this in the refrigerator for a second. So most people deep fry their Polish boys, but I'm gonna stick these over the grill. And I'm gonna grill mine. Like I said, you're more than welcome to deep fry them, put them in the oven, however you desire to have them cooked. Like I said, I'm putting mine on the grill. Boom, bam, boom, bam. Hot diggity damn. Homemade barbecue sauce, coleslaw, hand-cut French fries, on a hoagie roll. On a hoagie roll. That right there, gentlemen and ladies, that's a Polish boy. A Cleveland favorite. If you're ever in Cleveland, Ohio, ask about a Polish boy. And this is my rendition. Coleslaw, French fries, homemade barbecue sauce, a lumberjack sausage. That's what they call a Polish boy in my hometown, Cleveland, Ohio, baby.